everybody, it's Katrina.
It's the Crafty Corner.
Hi everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. Happy Sunday and happy Memorial Day weekend. For those of you that have been rocking with me for a while, welcome back. For those of you popping in for the first time, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We're trying to get to 1,500, y'all. And I thank all of you who have recently subscribed. Welcome to the Crafty Corner. So I am bringing you another men's concept today, and I have some other things that'll be going on. Plus we're barbecuing, so I'm going to be getting to that here soon. But I wanted to share this concept with you before we got to that. So I'm going to spin you around here and let you take a look at it, and I'll go through it and tell you what's in it. All right, this is my Fat Albert basket, and it is a higher end basket. Cost wise, so this basket I will charge a little bit more for, but I'm not trying to go too high for the men. So let me just tell you what's in here. All right, so in here I have one of these Father's Day containers, which is, if you saw my short, these little containers. All right, and inside of that container I put a little bit of packaging paper, and I put a loofah and our Dove cream in that little box there. All right, and the box mainly is for decoration, but I wanted to elevate these a little bit, so I used that little container to do that. All right, and then I have one of the barbershop rags for the men that I made into a bow tie and put it in there. All right, I'm using the Shavely set, so I have the body wash over here on the side of it. There's our body wash. And I have the shaving gel here. All right, now the shaving gel is sitting inside of one of these little pouches. All right, which is, I'm going to use the black ones and the blue ones for Father's Day. And I just put a little bit of paper in there, stuck the Shavely cream in there, and zipped it to that point. I didn't put anything else in there. And then I put some shred back there just to cover up the rest of the little black pouch. I've also included a drinking cup here, and then I have our tag set over here. We have our tag wipes right here, as well as our tag body spray, our body mist here. And then I put a skull cap and a pair of socks right here on the side as well. Alright, so that's our skull cap, and then our socks are down here. Alright, now we also have a pair of the men's slippers. Alright, these are the quilted slippers that everyone got. I didn't get any robes, but I got a bunch of slippers. Alright, and then on the back of here is our Fat Albert t-shirt. Alright, and I have a pair of men's underwear in there as well. Alright, and I have the black pair in there, but this is what they look like. Alright, and these are a large, extra large, I believe. Let me see. Now, these are a large. Alright, so I have the men's large underwear in there, along with the Fat Albert t-shirt. So I think that this basket has turned out really nice. Alright, this is going to go pretty quickly, I believe, for Father's Day. So you all tell me down in the comments what you think. How would you price this basket? Anything you would change or do differently? Make sure you let me know that as well. Alright, this is what it looks like up close. Thank you all for tuning in. Make sure you have a wonderful Memorial Day weekend. You all be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing. Hi everybody, it's Katrina.
It's the Crafty Corner crafting.